Hello everyone, hope you are having a great day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today, let's see how to make coconut milk rice. For this recipe, take 1 pot of any rice that you prefer. Now, rinse the rice thrice and drain the water. Now again add water and soak the rice for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes and the rice is soaked. Now drain the water. Heat up a pan. To this, add in half a teaspoon of ghee. The ghee has melted, add in some whole spices. I have taken half a cup of rice. For this I have added 1 bay leaf, 2-inch cinnamon sticks, 2 cardamoms and 2 cloves. Adjust according to the quantity of rice that you use. Once the aroma of the spices are infused in oil, add in the soaked rice. I have used the long grain basmati rice. You can use any rice you want. Now to this add in 2 parts of thin coconut milk. Since I have taken half a cup of rice, I have added 1 cup of coconut milk. The ratio is 1 is to 2. Now season this with salt. Once it begins to boil, cook the rice as usual. If it is long grain rice, then cover and cook for 9 minutes on simmer. After 9 minutes, let it rest for 15 minutes and then open the pan. We can see that the coconut milk rice is ready. Now fluff up with a fork and remove all the whole spices from it. It goes well with all kinds of protein and veg semi gravies and curries. Our coconut milk rice is ready to be served. Hope you found this video useful. Do give this recipe a try and share in your feedback in the comments. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.